So, good evening to one and all. Here is an another job description which has been notified. So, the name of the position is Ayush Doctor in the mainstream. Number of vacancies, the vacancies will be provided as per the roster. So, यहाँ पे the vacancies has not been exactly mentioned. Okay, now location where it is at APHC, at primary healthcare centers, district health societies in the state of Bihar. Now, coming to the maximum age limit, what these people have mentioned in the year as on to 1st October 2024. For unreserved economically backward class, it is 37 years. Unreserved economical class for female, it is 40 years. Backward class for male and female, it is 40 years. For SC, ST, male and female, it is 40 years. Okay. 10 years relaxation in age will be admissible to divine body applicants. Okay. Now there is some criteria what has been mentioned by them. Okay, now coming to the qualification criteria what has been mentioned. First, there should be the degree from any recognized institute in the stream of BAMS, that is nothing but Bachelor of Ayurveda, Medicine and Surgery, BUMS, that is Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery, and BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery. It has to be there. Internship training certificate is mandatory, that is nothing but your 1 year rotational training certificate should be there. Then permanent registration in Raja Ayurvedic and Unani Chikitsa Board or Raja Homeopathy Chikitsa Board, Bihar, Patna should be there with you all. Now coming to the key components, what they have been mentioned over here. The person should possess the knowledge and experience of the governmental policies, documents, filling procedure, structure and the process. अभी क्या होता है यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंटल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होता है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि इस डॉक्यूमेंट का क्या ये है या फिर ये पॉलिसी का क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है. यू शुड नो एटलीस्ट द बेसिक नॉलेज अबाउट इट. फिर demonstrated skills and abilities to develop analytical report and program briefs, skills for designing government programs, health programs, planning, monitoring and related doubt shooting. Okay, जब भी वहाँ पे आपको क्या स्किल्स होने चाहिए, आपको गवर्नमेंट के प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में प्लानिंग करना आना चाहिए, उसका मॉनिटरिंग होना आना चाहिए और उसके रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चनियर्स रहेंगे आपको वो डाउट्स सॉल्व करने आने चाहिए. Experience of extending technical support to state or district health terms, documentation skills and ability to develop analytical reports and programming brief, excellent communication skill, coordination and reporting skill. आपको communicate करना है, अच्छे से आना चाहिए. Okay. Good knowledge of budgeting and resource allocation process related to national health, NHM. Okay. देन एक्सेलेंट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. आपको हिंदी इंग्लिश को अच्छे से बोलना, लिखना और पढ़ना आना चाहिए. इन दोनों लैंग्वेज को आपको अच्छे से आना चाहिए. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड एबिलिटी टू वर्क इन अ मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी एनवायरमेंट. आपको वो जिस भी डिसिप्लिन में डालेंगे उस डिसिप्लिन में आपको मल्टीटास्किंग होना चाहिए. नाउ कमिंग टू द समरीज ऑफ रूल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. The Ayurvedic, Unani, or homeopathy doctor shall attend to the outdoor patient during the working hours on each working day from morning 8 a.m. to 12 a.m., evening 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., and in summer, evening duty shall be from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. तो दिस इज द ड्यूटी टाइमिंग जो आपको पेशेंट देखने के लिए दिया जाएगा. Then provide assistance to the MO in terms of technical such as checking BP, providing other medical assistance and managerial coordination in other programs within the departments and other departments. ये क्या बोलते हैं, आप लोगों को असिस्ट करना आना चाहिए टू द एमओ इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनी मेडिकल प्रोसीजर्स, handling emergency duties under the guidance of medical officer and providing prerequisites support to handle the higher patient load. maintaining exclusive OPD register, treat patients seeking medical care, and prescribing medicine for ailment as per their own system of medicine. आपको अपने own system के medicine के बारे में जानकारी होनी चाहिए और वो आपको किस कंडीशन में दिया जाएगा वो पता होना चाहिए. Ensure free distribution of Ayurveda, Unani, and homeopathy medicine to the patient from the medicine supplied to the HSC, APHC, block primary healthcare center, and district healthcare center. Ayush doctors are to be disciplined the medicine, and in any case they are not willing to do the same. Aim the dispensing will be done by the pharmacist. Okay. अभी वहाँ पे फार्मासिस्ट भी होंगे who will be dispensing the medicine if the Ayush doctors will not dispense it. Cross referral within the hospital or through the higher institute can be provided. Should provide first aid in normal as well as emergency cases. आपको एक नॉर्मल फर्स्ट एड कैसे देते हैं इन नॉर्मल और इमरजेंसी केसेस के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. दैट इज द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट व्हाट दे वांट. Participate actively in all the national healthcare programs and national disease control program as well as other chikitsa like malaria, leprosy, TB, diarrhea, acute respiratory infections and scabies in terms of awareness, planning, monitoring and prescribing treatment as per the protocol. Supervise the ANM sub-centers, and that is nothing but Anganwadis, your sub-centers, and also participate in immunization programs, health camps, and in epidemic controls. Okay. Screening students in school for healthcare programs, monitoring of the IMNIC training, then supervising and monitoring the health camps should also be done. Okay. Conducting minor surgeries like stitching, abscess surgery, and normal deliveries after undergoing skilled birth attendant, that is SBA training and other training wherever required. तो आपको इसमें ट्रेनिंग किया जाएगा. Can administer can administer IUCD after training, promote a laparoscopic operation, undertake monitoring planned, periodic, or random of the intervention of implementation. Every quarterly, the Ayurvedic, Unani, homeopathy doctor shall attend the quarterly meeting at the district level by the CMO or DIMO. Government Ayush doctors are also to attend the meeting, and every month attach the monthly meeting organization at the block level. यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है, every 6 months these doctors have to attend the quarterly meeting at the district level. आप किसी विलेज में पोस्टेड हो तो उस इसका डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में एक मीटिंग हो जाएगा जो आपको अटेंड करना है, और उस मीटिंग में आपको अपनी मंथली ई का जो भी रिपोर्ट है वो आपको देना है वहाँ पे. Ensure timely submission of reports and return to the ECMO district authorities through concerned MO. जो भी आपको सबमिशन करना है वो टाइमली करना है टू द CMO या फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट अथॉरिटीज को. Ensure proper maintenance of records and register, etc. of medicine, instrument, books, stationaries, available funds, etc. आपको अच्छे से मेंटेन करना है जो भी रिकॉर्ड्स है, रजिस्टर्स है, मेडिसिन, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, उसका सभी का आपके पास अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए. Attend sector meeting and facilitate facilitators and supervise for the comprehension and timely submission of the मंथली रिपोर्ट. आपको सभी एक्टर मीटिंग्स वगैरह अटेंड करके आपको उसका टाइमली रिपोर्ट सबमिट करना है. डॉक्यूमेंट फील्ड लेवल इनोवेशंस, अचीवमेंट्स एंड चैलेंजेस इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. आप जब एक प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या वहाँ पे क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स हुए, क्या क्या आप पॉसिबल कर सके उस मंथ के रिपोर्ट में, वहाँ पे चैलेंजेस क्या आ गए वो इम्प्लीमेंट करते हुए. आपको इस सभी का एक डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होना चाहिए. फर्निश डिस्ट्रिक्ट न्यूज टू द NHM newsletters. ओके. फिर इंफॉर्मेशन डॉक्यूमेंटेशन to the stakeholders at district and state level. Okay, attend sector meetings and support the ANMs on progress of assigned jobs, undertaking and other assignments which shall be assigned from time to time. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, रेन्यूमरेशन विच विल बी गिवन इज 32,000 शैल बी पेड पर मंथ, दैट इज नथिंग बट आपका मंथली सैलरी जो होगा दैट विल बी फॉर 32,000 रुपीज. This is something that has been notified by the Bihar government.